Hello and welcome to today's daily message. In this fifth week of Lent, we continue our reflections and meditations brought to us by the online ministries at Creighton University. As I have been doing throughout Lent, I'm going to offer just a very brief reflection so that you can follow the readings and meditations and reflections and intercessions on your own as you prepare for Easter. So today I just want to offer a very brief reflection on the phrase that's contained in the collect prayer. Grant us to pass from former ways to newness of life. So Easter should transform us in such a way that our lives are new and different. So what does this mean? I think it means more than just that we will feel better about life when Easter gets here. I think it means more that we are changed, that our minds, our hearts, and our spirits are somehow transformed, that we are different people, that we think differently, we feel differently, and that we act differently in the world so that we can become more that image of God in which we were created. Thank you for watching today. Have a great Monday. Stay safe and stay healthy.